Key steps to time management success. So, steps to time success. Like step one, make your calendar fit your schedule. So, your calendar and your schedule are not the same thing. So, calendar is like where you record and track meetings, phone calls, and other appointments. And schedule is where you define how time should be spent on to achieve goals. And first, create your schedule and then fill in your calendar. Step one, make your calendar fit your schedule. For example, your sale activity plan calls for 50 outbound phone calls this week. So you know it will take a solid 5 hours to do this effectively. So block out one solid hour per day to perform outbound calls. So this hour is scheduled first. So then add it to the calendar as an appointment. An appointment you have to be with yourself. So the first thing you need to establish is how much time you have in a day to spend. So be honest with yourself. How long do you spend checking and replying emails? How much of 9 to 5 schedule is devoted to meetings? So you really need that 2 hour break? And once you have worked out your limits, you can then start to allocate the time you need to spend on different aspects of your business. So it sounds simple, but many of us overlook these simple steps. For planning will save you a lot of uh, headache. So step two is align your schedule with your quota. So sale is in a large part a number game. Your goal must be reachable in the time you have set aside to reach them. So calculate reasonable estimates of the time you need for each aspects of your sales responsibilities. So plan accordingly so that you can meet your goals realistically. Step three is stop being always available. Like protect yourself from interruptions. Turn off your phone, stop checking for message and emails during block times. Set aside time to check and respond in a fixed period each day. So be regularly available but not always available. Like time is money. So as the old saying goes, and it is time to put a price on yours. So like not only this will help in the overall costing of your startups, but it also allow you to manage your workload. So price correctly and your business will reap the reward. So under price and you may end up working too long for the low valuable jobs. So time is a limited sources and expensive. So managing your time is one of the hardest aspects of running your own business. And you find out more information about for a new business on. Step four is plan backward, not just forward. Like forward scheduling means I have to choose $1 lakh in a business this month. So I have 30 days in a month. It's be the first of the month go. So backward scheduling means like I have to close a dollar 1 lakh in a business this month. I have 30 days in a month. I will plan for from the day 30 backward through the month based on the sales plan. Like we have all been there, like that annoying niggingly job that's higher priority you can't face starting. So it won't go away. Like you must be courageous now, like put on willies to get stuck in. Why not tackle in head on head and get it filled? So we most small in business are pretty good and multitasking by nature. So research shows that the prioritizing for better time management will help you stay in uh, control, finding hit hard and motivate yourself to prioritize. Step was plan backward, not just forward. Like start with these figures like sales revenue quota and average deal size, number of opportunities you need to close, percentage of opportunities that usually close, number of opportunities you need in a pipeline, number of leads you need to convert, percentage of leads that usually convert, number of leads you need in a pipeline. And plan backward, not just forward. For example, sales quota is $1 lakh per month. Average deal size is 10,000 per deal. We need to close 10 deals per month, and 1 out of 3 opportunities usually close. So we need 30 opportunities in the pipeline, and 1 out of 5 leads usually converts to an opportunity. We need 150 leads in the pipeline totally. And then ask yourself these questions like, have you set aside time to make 150 calls for lead generation, and probably the another 150 calls to follow up and qualify leads every month? So have you set aside time to engage in a web, phone, email, and in-person selling to convert 30 leads into solid opportunities every month? So have you set aside the time, engage, and intensive follow-up, proposal preparations, etc.? So close 10 deals every month. Step 5 is find a system and stick with it. You need a system for sales scheduling. It can be any of the following, like Outlook or a Google Calendar, iPhone or Android app, Franklin Planner system. What matters is start with a plan and then build your schedule, then manage your calendar and select a system and stick with it, period. Decide each day what the goals are by order to importance, like deadline, the volume of work, etc., and stick to them. And if you work in a shared office, avoid unnecessary conversion until you have done your task. Don't get stuck on long telephone calls when you have deadline looming, and write short, so polite responses to email to keep lines of communications open. So once you have made up your mind about which tasks are to be completed, and stop deliberating. Second guessing is just another name of procrastination. Other than that, steps are like, stay focused. So try not to let distraction get the better of you. Like staying focused on a particular job at hand is key to your success as a small business. And try staying focused for short amounts of time, like say 20 minutes at a go, and then you have a short break before diving in again. So being a mindful of how long you have to be spent per task will help you ensure and stay within your time frames. And embrace time management technology. Like there is an abundance of online time management tools available, like ClickUp, Toggle, to name just two. Way like you are spoiled for choice. There are certain apps for monitoring how much time you spend on a certain task. So there are sprint timers, like there are apps for blocking procrastination websites. There are apps for day life hacks recommends to 10 right there.